Good day. Today we are going to talk about the carbohydrate metabolism and its impact to agriculture. Our world is being modernized. The field of agriculture are being improved because of the adoption of new inventions and technologies, helping for better and promote sustainability. In production, human needs, especially for food, livestock, and plant-based, should be increased as our population also increase. The particular issues should need a better solution. On other side, we should not only focusing to increase the demand of products, but also protect the environment to maintain the balance of ecosystem. In these particular topics, we mainly focusing on the importance, functions, and some negative traits that the carbohydrates may cause in agricultural production. The production of agricultural products, from livestock production to crop products, carbohydrates has this vital role, and under the production would be successful with higher yield and good quality products. Carbohydrates serve as an energy source needed for plants and animals. It is used for the production of growth, function, and also in its stress problems. Aiming for sustainable and productive agriculture, and understanding carbohydrate role is important to enhance and to improve our agricultural practices. For soil health, it contributes to soil microbe health for feeding beneficial organisms. The nutritional value of carbohydrates in crops like rice, wheat, and maize are important for source for human and animals. Understanding and managing properly the carbohydrates metabolism is important to optimize crop production, minimizing risk, and improving agricultural sustainability. Creating a better solution and strategies in addressing many challenges.